Hey Crackhead fam. I am back, again. Well, y'all might be saying that I post a lot basically every day. Well, lol, I love posting. So let's get to the video. Well, that's it for today, guys. I am gonna post my edits every day for now, lol. I am going to post the next meme video next week. Bye fam.